Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a sealed headset conversion. I'm going from non-sealed that's already on this bike to a sealed conversion kit that I bought off eBay. I'll start off by taking the controls off just to make life a bit easier so everything's out of the way. I've got most of the controls off now. I just need to take the front brake off, but I have to do that when I take the stem and bars off. Start off by undoing the top two bolts, or the stem bolts, and start undoing the headset. Take it all the way out. Sorry. Now I can take this all the way off. Put the bars on. Take the spaces out. Got the whole front end off now. Take all the bits out. I recently greased this, so I know it's going to be alright. The headset I got is a Zito. It's probably a Chinese company. I bought it off eBay. Start by doing the top. I'm going to take the bearings out. Go straight for the top cup. Okay. Touch a bit easier than the top cup did. Got a bit of wood. I have to take this thing off now. Since this is the unsealed one, I'm going to have to go put the new one on. It's this one. First one, give it a nice clean. And slide this one on. It's time to start fitting the bearings. Luckily, this one I've got sealed. This drops straight in. Just put a bit of grease. Bearing like that. Nice and smooth. I ended up taking the front wheel out. I should put this up there while I'm at it. This bearing should slot straight on here. And slot this bearing on here. Nice and smooth. Sliding. Like that. Put the top cap, and then we'll go spaces. I think it's the same height as last time. That's it. There you go. And there's the bar. Put the bars back on. Nice one. Let's put top cap back on. Let's go on my tool. Facing forward. The difference already feeling it from last time. Really smooth. Start putting the controls back on. And that's the conversion done. Definitely worth doing if you haven't already. It's very smooth. Maybe just on the stand. On the old bearings, it's quite crunchy. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.